If you pay attention to the media, then you've probably heard that study after study shows no long-term health benefits for those who supplement with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients, and that some studies have even shown negative results. Interestingly, none of those studies has ever been conducted on Melaleuca's vitality vitamins and minerals. So how can you know if the supplements you take are making a difference? That's a question Melaleuca was not afraid to answer. See, Melaleuca vitamin and mineral supplements are entirely different than the typical supplements available at the grocery store or the health food store. Melaleuca uses ingredients of a significantly higher quality that are used in amounts that can actually have a positive effect within the body. Our secret? They're powered by patented Oligo technology for greater mineral absorption and reduced free radical damage. Melaleuca supplements work in ways other supplements simply can't. People who use Melaleuca supplements are happy to tell you about the increased energy, vitality, and improved health they experience. But stories alone are not scientific proof. To discover what actually happens when healthy subjects consistently take Melaleuca supplements, Melaleuca commissioned the Freiburg study. In 2014, the Freiburg study was conducted in Freiburg, Germany, with 48 healthy human adults of various ages. None of the test subjects had been diagnosed with any disease prior to the study, and none were taking any medication. However, according to their health markers, 24 of the subjects had metabolic syndrome with blood pressure, cholesterol, or body weight that was elevated, but still within what doctors would consider a normal range. The other 24 subjects had health markers closer to what would be considered ideal. The methodology of the study was primarily based on evaluating key health indicators as measured in the subject's blood. As part of the study, blood samples were tested for 25 different health markers, including blood lipids, glucose, free radicals, and inflammation, among others. Each subject was asked to not change anything about their lifestyle or diet during the 12-week test period, except to take the Melaleuca supplements given to them. First, to establish each person's baseline health metrics before using the supplements, subjects came to the testing facility having fasted for 10 hours. Blood was taken and then submitted to a Freiburg University lab for full analysis. The subject's blood was also measured again right before and right after a specific prescribed amount of exercise on an elliptical machine. Testing before and after exercise was important because exercise raises heart rate, oxygen consumption, and free radical generation. So the exercise tests included measuring the amount of free radicals generated inside the body. These measurements could only be obtained by using cutting-edge EPR technology under the direction of Dr. Bruno Fink, who is based in Freiburg. After the fasting test, participants were given a standard breakfast, a bread roll and glass of water, and the tests were repeated. The next day, the same tests were administered. This time, the participants took the supplement pack along with their bread and water breakfast. The supplements they took are the same that are found in Melaleuca's Peak Performance Pack, a convenient pack of 6 supplements, including a multivitamin mineral, a grape skin and seed extract, a broad-spectrum antioxidant, a high EPA omega-3, an herbal anti-inflammatory, and a multi-strain probiotic. Tests were performed 1, 2, and 3 hours after taking the supplements. The subjects returned for evaluations 2 more times, after 6 weeks of regular morning and evening supplementation, and again after 12 weeks of consistent supplement use. At each stage, the amount of free radicals in the blood during rest and then during exercise was recorded. The results? The blood test showed that the reduction in free radicals was outstanding. After just 1 hour of taking the supplements for the first time, researchers observed an immediate 10% reduction in free radicals during exercise. After 12 weeks of consistently using the supplements, the 48 subjects recorded an average 21% reduction in free radicals while resting and a 26% reduction in free radicals during exercise. Such a reduction in free radicals from a simple nutritional supplement is unprecedented. A 21% reduction at rest and 26% reduction during exercise is an astounding finding and is enough to bring most people to an ideal level. No other supplement is known to have produced similar results. Significant results in inflammation response were also observed for the 48 subjects. In the first inflammation test, resistance to inflammation improved an average of 36% in just 1 hour. The second test measured high-sensitivity C-reactive protein, also known as HSCRP. HSCRP levels are important because they can be an accurate predictor of heart health. After 12 weeks of regular supplementation with the Peak Performance Pack, subjects showed a significant 21% reduction in HSCRP. For those who had higher HSCRP readings but still within the normal range, a 34% reduction in HSCRP was recorded. And these improvements to free radical and inflammation levels were just the beginning. The results of the Freiberg study are truly profound. And the Freiberg-tested Peak Performance Pack is only available at Melaleuca.
记得点赞关注哦。